Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's pear surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our pear Valentine's Day card, let's begin by folding our paper. Let's start by lining up the corners of our paper and giving it a nice fold down the middle. This way it's kind of like a card. Next, let's take this, let's line up the corners one more time, and we'll give it another fold down here. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the top of our pear. So I'll begin here, and we're just going to make a nice little sad face that's going to come up and down here. Then starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve out. We'll bring it around and curve it right back up here for the bottom of our pear. Next, we're going to make the stem. So let's draw a line that comes up and then one more. It's a little skinnier at the bottom, a little wider at the top. And then we'll make a little oval at the top. Now for the little leaf, let's begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve up. And one that's just going to kind of curve up here to a point and then back down. Now let's put a fun little face on our pear. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye right here. I'll put a circle inside of here and then a smaller circle underneath it. And then let's go ahead and color in right around here. Next, over here, let's make a little winky eye. So we'll make a line that comes in and then back out. And then we'll make a little line that's just going to curve out and in, and then out and then in. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once you open this up, we have two parts of our pear. So we're going to turn this one pear into two. So let's start at the top. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring each one of these lines down a little bit. Then I'm going to make the bottom. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'll curve it around and then back up here. Now, I want to put a little face in here. So I'm going to begin with the eyes. I'll make a little sad face here for an eye, and then I'll make a little sad face right over here for an eye. Now, I want this pear to look like it's laughing. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come straight across. Then I'm going to come down here with a smile. I'll curve a line right here for the tongue. And then I'll make a line that comes over and up for the teeth. And then I'll draw a little line right here for the mouth. Then we can go ahead and color this part in. Now over here I want to make the top of this pear. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up and down here. Then I'll make a little line that's going to come over, down, and back in for the stem. And I'll put a little curve there. Then I'll make a little line that's going to come up here to a point and then down for the leaf. And a little line in here. Now, right around here, I'm going to make like a big kind of like pointed line in here. So we're just going to make a big kind of like zigzag pointed shape in here. Just to add some detail. And I'll do it on this side too. So I'm just going to make this big kind of like pointed zigzag shape right there. Now inside of here, I'm gonna write the words, "We make a great pear." But I'm gonna spell pear, P-E-A-R, like the actual fruit. So I'm gonna fast forward through this, but don't worry, you can always pause this part of the video and see how I wrote it. So now, when I'm all done, you can see I've got the words, "We make a great pear" in here. And you see how I spelt pear. And I even made this one bigger so it really stands out. But there you go. When you have this all folded up, you have this fun little pear. And then when you open it, it's got that fun little "We make a great pear" saying. And this is a great Valentine's Day card. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.